Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting our hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, a smartwatch that promises to be a serious rival to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Design and build. The Galaxy Watch Ultra breaks away from the traditional Galaxy Watch design with a striking and unique look. It features a titanium case with a distinctive square shape, combining a square with rounded corners. This gives it a premium feel and definitely sets it apart from previous models. The display is a circular AMOLED screen, protected by scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Now, titanium is a great choice for durability, but it is susceptible to developing a slightly scratched look over time, something to keep in mind. But worry not, this watch is built tough. It boasts an IP68 dust and water resistance rating, and can withstand being submerged up to 100 meters deep. So it's perfect for swimming, diving, or any other water activities you might throw at it. Display. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is equipped with a vibrant 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 480 by 480 resolution. Text and apps are easy to read, and the colors look fantastic. But the real standout feature here is the incredible 3000 nits peak brightness. This means you'll have no problem seeing the screen even in direct sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor activities. The watch also includes an always-on mode, so you can glance at the time and other important info without needing to wake the display. Performance and battery life. Powering the Galaxy Watch Ultra is a new 3nm Exynos processor. This promises improved performance and better battery efficiency compared to previous models. You can expect smooth operation and multitasking, and that translates to a smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle. Speaking of battery life, the Galaxy Watch Ultra packs a massive 590 mAh battery. Samsung claims this is the longest-lasting battery in a Galaxy Watch yet. In power-saving mode, you can expect up to 100 hours on a single charge, and up to 48 hours in exercise power-saving mode. That's impressive, and ensures you won't need to worry about your watch dying in the middle of a workout or a long trip. When it comes to charging, the Galaxy Watch Ultra supports WPC-based wireless fast charging, so you can go from 0 to full in about an hour and a half. Customizable features. One of the things I really like about the Galaxy Watch Ultra is the level of customization it offers. The quick button on the right side of the watch can be programmed to perform various functions, like starting workouts, opening specific apps, and more. This way, you can tailor the watch to your needs and preferences. Another interesting feature is the emergency siren, borrowed from the Apple Watch Ultra. If you find yourself in an emergency situation, you can activate the siren to alert people around you for help. There's also a new night mode watch face that automatically dims the screen for better viewing in low-light conditions. Health and fitness tracking. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can help you take your fitness to the next level, the Galaxy Watch Ultra has you covered. It comes packed with advanced health and fitness tracking features, including a multi-sports tile that lets you track all your different workouts, from running and cycling to swimming. Perfect for triathletes or anyone who enjoys a variety of activities. Functional threshold power, FTP, to measure your maximum cycling power output, helping you optimize your training. Personalized heart rate zones that use AI to calculate zones specifically for you, ensuring you're working out at the right intensity for your goals. Comprehensive health monitoring, including sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring with irregular rhythm detection, body composition measurement, blood oxygen monitoring, and more. This gives you a holistic view of your overall health and well-being. Software and usability. The Galaxy Watch Ultra runs on Google's Wear OS 5, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience. Here are some of the software highlights. A new grid-based app launcher that makes finding your apps easier and more visually appealing. Enhanced watch faces with new themes and complications, so you can customize the look of your watch to match your style. Double pinch gestures, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra, for easier interaction with the watch on the go. Media output selection, letting you choose your Bluetooth headphones or speakers directly from the watch. Connectivity and communication. The Galaxy Watch Ultra comes in a single 47mm size and comes with built-in LTE connectivity. This means you can make and receive calls, send texts, and even access the internet directly from the watch, without needing to be connected to your phone. Super convenient for staying connected on the go, especially if you leave your phone behind for a run or a quick errand. The watch also offers strong haptic feedback, so you'll never miss important notifications. Samsung has a history of delivering excellent haptic in their smartwatches, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra is no exception. Bands and customization. While there's no official confirmation yet, we can expect Samsung to release new bands for the Galaxy Watch Ultra, just like they've done with previous models. The watch uses Samsung's one-click band latch, which makes it super easy to swap bands on the fly. So you can quickly change the look of your watch to suit your outfit or occasion. Price and availability. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is priced at $649 in the US and 59,999 rupees in India. Pre-orders start on July 10th, with sales beginning on July 24th. This positions it as a premium smartwatch option, competing directly with the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which is priced at $799. Competitors. The Galaxy Watch Ultra's main rival is definitely the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Both smartwatches boast similar features and target the high-end market. However, the Galaxy Watch Ultra might be more appealing to Android users searching for a feature-packed premium smartwatch experience. Another competitor to consider is Samsung's own Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which offers similar health and fitness features but keeps the beloved rotating bezel for navigation. Final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium smartwatch market. With its unique design, comprehensive health and fitness tracking suite, long battery life, and user-friendly software, it offers a compelling alternative to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The price tag might be a turnoff for some, but for those seeking a top-of-the-line smartwatch experience, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is definitely worth considering. Alright everyone, that's our hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. What are your thoughts on this new smartwatch? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and we'll see you next time.